Now let's put the front part here. Anti-collision gear. First put it the same. Compose two components. That's what it looks like. Then install the big gear. This texture is on the outside, where from below. Go through and put a pinion. And hold this piece in place with this. You fix it. Detected. Okay, these two parts are finished. But we have to put it on first. It also depends on the direction when installing it. First turn the ball forward. After the long shape, these two body eyes. What about the direction of connecting the two sides? Is facing forward. This is what it looks like. Only in this we can. So first, we'll take the one on the left. What about the front one? Is it perpendicular to the laminate? Is this vertical state? So keep a vertical state when inserting. You need to brush the vertical state then plug it in. You can plug it in. Same thing on the right. You can see that this position is still vertically tender. Anti-collision gears are okay. So too are packed. What about the back? It's actually the same as the previous one. Also, first install two small components. And you take out this bracket. The inside of the pattern of the bracket is facing up. Put on a big gear first. Then go through under it. Put a pinion inside facing up. Fix it up again. These two parts are finished. What happens in the future? How do we navigate? Point the ball forward at him. Yes, he is. Okay. The long side. That one just now is the long side facing forward. Texture set up. So it's right. That's right. Let's set him aside first. A parallel state. There it is. If you feel a little loose, you can glue for reinforcement. There you go. Let's install this position. The first thing to do here is to put this part on it. It has this bamboo shoot here to be plugged in. Plug it into this hole. We can see the outside is like this, stuck here. Now let's put it on first. Also pretend like this. Then the rear. This hole is inserted into the back. It's made like this. The texture on top is facing up. Then put this piece onto. It's coming in the middle. Just go up. It's finished. The other side is the same. Behind the hole after the nest. Now there are milk ropes hanging on both sides. And this is where you can do whatever you want. Here are a few. There are several positioning holes. It is and has several positioning holes. Just press the positioning hole. What I'm going to choose here is symmetrical bonding. It's glued to the front. This is glued to the back, also glues it symmetrically. Symmetrical on both sides. That's it. The milk rope is installed. Then install Xinhui bridge. Xinhui bridge, if there is an unlocked package. Xinhui bridge is transparent. If there is an upgrade package, please install acrylic directly from this hole. You can also pull it out. Okay, the happiness bridge is installed.